Yo, what's up guys? I'll be showing you how to deploy a Node.js application for free. So first, this is an example. This can basically just render hello world. First we go into render, click dashboard, then we click configure GitHub, and now as we wait, we select our user, then we select our repository, click on it, click save, and now we can click on it from there, connect, and now you just fill in the details, type in the name, the language, the branch you want to use, and also remember the root directory. For me that is dot, and then the build command. For me that will be npm install, and then the start command, which is nodeapp.js for me. And now choose a plan. I'm choosing the free plan, then deploy web service, wait, build successful, running Node application, click on the link, and boom, there we have it. Hello world. And that is the URL link.